Are you someone who is feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or nervous right now? What if I tell you that in just 5 minutes you can reset your brain? You don't have to do meditation for long hours, you don't have to do any breathing exercises, but there are just 5 scientifically proven hacks that can help you to reset your brain in the moment. Just stick with me till the end and this will help you amazingly. Okay, so the first hack is the power posture hack. See, your posture is just not about the way you look, the way you stand. It is about your inner strength. See, whenever your back is slouching towards forward and your shoulders aren't firm, it decreases your strength, it decreases your confidence as well. So whenever you are in a state where you are feeling overwhelmed, you are feeling anxious, you are feeling nervous, you have to make sure to notice your posture. Your back should be straight, your shoulders should be uptight, and you should, it will give you strength, it will give you confidence, and it will boost your confidence like anything. Suppose you're going for a presentation, to give a presentation, and you feel nervous, but if you go it with your back straight, your arms upright, and with that confidence, you will see the change. It will really help you. The second hack is the word swap hack. See, what happens is that it is a proven thing that words are like spells. You have to be very careful with the way you say statements and you deal with statements. Whenever you say, for example, you say, I have to go to the gym. See, in this statement, it is a burden, it is an obligation that you have to do something. And human beings like to be free. Instead of saying, I have to go to the gym, start saying that I get to go to the gym. See, when you say, I get to, it gives you that power, that control. You are in control. It shows you that you are in control. So it make that swap. Another swap that you can say is that, when you're nervous and when you are excited, your heart races the same way. So your mind doesn't know the difference, really, because your heart is racing. So when you say, I am nervous for something, it is a fearful statement to say. But when you say, I am excited, it is a happy statement to say. You are having the same feelings, but just the change gives you that power, that feeling of power. Remember, there is a difference between feeling powerless and feeling powerful, and it is just a word away. So start making these little word swaps. Hack number 3 is that 5 senses hack. Okay, so what we are going to do in this hack, we are going to use our 5 senses to come back into the present moment. Okay, so you are in a room. Okay, you have to see 5 things that you can see from your own eyes. Whatever you notice, like in this room, I am noticing my phone, my pen, this idol, this sofa right on which I'm sitting, and this blind. So you have to just see 5 things that you can see from your own eyes, and 4 things that you can touch in the room. 4 things that you can touch, 3 things that you can hear in the room, 3 sounds that you can hear in the room, 2 things that you can smell in the room. It can be the room freshener or it can be something else, whatever it is. And 1 thing that you can taste in that room. This will snap you back into reality, snap you back into the present moment before you know it. And this actually works. This is a proven technique and it actually works. Hack number 4 is my personal favorite and I use it all the time. Okay, so we all know that music changes our mood really quick, right? Whenever you are listening to those breakup sad songs, you tend to cry. Whenever you are having those feelings of excitement, you listen to motivational songs and you're all pumped up. There is a reason you listen to motivational and high intensity songs when you are in the gym, right? So what you have to do is you have to make 3 playlists in your phone. So you have to make 3 playlists. One will be the energy boost playlist, another one will be the calm playlist, and the third one will be the confidence playlist. In energy boost playlist, you will place the high beat songs, the upbeat songs, the rock songs, the songs that give you high energy. In calm playlist, you are going to place the soothing songs that whenever you listen to those songs, you feel a sense of calmness. And in the energy boost playlist, or sorry, in the confidence playlist, you're going to place the songs that gives you motivation, that gives you that that motivation to do certain things. Like, I do have a personal playlist for my gym. It says workout, it is mentioned, I named it as workout playlist. And it has songs like the fight song, or that active songs, the songs that give me power, that makes me feel powerful and gives me the confidence to do the workout. So it really helps. See, music is something that has a frequency to train your brain. So whenever you do this, it will be on your fingertips to change your mood. Whatever mood you want, you can get it on your fingertips by playing the particular playlist. So now the last hack of the day, and it really works wonders and it helps you attracting more blessings in your life, is the gratitude bomb. You have to drop a gratitude bomb quick. What I mean by that is, you just have to look for 3 things you're grateful for. Quickly, whenever you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, nervous, or any negative emotion is surrounding you, quickly think of the 3 things, and in that room or in that moment, that are making that you are grateful for. For example, I'm grateful for the clothes I'm wearing. I'm grateful for the mobile phone on which I'm recording this video, and I'm grateful for having this healthy body. Any 3 things quickly. It has to be really quick. I wasn't that quick. Really quickly, 3 things that you are grateful for. Suppose you're having a cup of coffee and you're grateful for having that coffee. Okay, so you have to quickly see the 3 things you are grateful for in your life. And this, what will this do? This will shift the negative mindset to a positive mindset. And of course, being grateful attracts more blessings in your life. That's nothing new that I'm telling you. It is a proven technique, and it is really, really true. Okay, so yeah, that's it. You can try any one of these hacks, and you can see the difference it makes whenever you are in a state of anxiousness, whenever anxiety covers you up. And you can come back here and comment down which hack worked the best for you. And if you like this, and if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe it, like it, and share it with people who need this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.